everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mickisha868. In this video, I'll be doing a comparison between the Eco Style Gold and the Black Castor and Flaxseed Eco Styler Gel. So the Eco Gold I've used before in a previous video. It has olive oil, shea butter, black castor, and flaxseed. This Eco Styler has black castor and flaxseed oil, and it contains vitamin E, fiber, and omega-3. And it's a max hold of 10. They're both a max hold of 10. So I'm going to be doing a comparison video between both. As you can see, I've used this one quite a bit, and this one I have just gotten. And this is how much is left. Haven't used that much of it. So if you would like to see this comparison video of both, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. So my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. So I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be using the Miele Organics pomegranate and honey line over the entire head. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and then I'll be right back. So right now on this side, I'm going to go in with the Eco Style Gold. I'm going to spray it down with some water. And the leave-in conditioner has already been applied throughout my hair. And I'm just going to fast forward through this video because I have a video already on the Eco Style Gold and the Black Castor and Flaxseed. So here we go. They both have strong smells, but the smells do not linger. The Eco Gold has a stronger smell than the Black Castor and Flaxseed oil one. So I'm done applying the products on both sides. So just a reminder, on this side I have the Eco Style Gold, and on this side I have the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed. I don't really see any difference so far. I will say that the Black Castor and Flaxseed side had more slip and it was easier to apply. But so far I don't really see any real difference. We'll see how it goes as it dries. Right now I'm going to take a bobby pin and just clip it back a bit so it dries out of my face. So I am going to let it air dry for a bit, and then I'm going to diffuse, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final results. So here are my final results. My hair is about 95% dry. I do have some wet spots. As you remember, this side is the Eco Style Gold. And on this side, I have the Black Castor and Flaxseed side. So if I had to choose, I would choose the Black Castor and Flaxseed side. It's a lot softer. I don't have much of a gel cast as opposed to the Eco Gold side. But overall, you really can't really see a difference. Both did a great job. My curls are defined on both sides, but I still prefer the Black Castor and Flaxseed side. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think. What side did you prefer? If you enjoyed this review, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below and let me know if there are any other products you'd like to see me review. If there are any other content you'd like to see me put out, also comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.